Hello everyone, welcome to Anvi Hearing. Today, let us understand the real cost of hearing aids in India. Explore the key factors that influence the price of hearing aids in India. Learn about cost ranges, technology levels, and how to choose the right device for your needs. If you're looking for a hearing aid, one of the first questions you may have is how much does it really cost? Hearing aid prices in India can vary quite a bit from basic models to advanced digital devices. Understanding what drives this variation will help you make a better decision that suits both your needs and your budget. What is the price range of hearing aids? In India, the average cost of a hearing aid is between 10,000 and 3 lakh. Several factors influence this pricing. Type of hearing aid, which is BTE, RIC, CIC, etc. Technology level, basic, essential, premium. Features like rechargeability, Bluetooth streaming and noise cancellation. Brand reputation and service network. At Anvi Hearing, our Signia hearing aid starts at 10,990 rupees for basic models, 25,990 rupees for essential level model, 1,09,990 rupees and above for advanced premium model. Why do prices differ so much? The cost of hearing aids varies primarily based on the technology level and features offered. Basic models provide essential amplification, while more advanced options include features such as directional microphones for better focus in noisy environments, advanced noise reduction and feedback management, AI-based sound processing that adapts to your surroundings, Bluetooth and smartphone connectivity for easy streaming. As you move up the range, you're paying not just for louder sound, but for clearer, smarter and more comfortable hearing. The more sophisticated the features, the higher the price. Is price the only factor? While cost is important, choosing the right hearing aid should also depend on your level of hearing loss, your lifestyle, quiet versus active environments, comfort and fit, desired visibility, invisible or behind the ear, compatibility with smartphones or apps. Cheaper options may lack features that are essential for your daily life. It's best to strike a balance between affordability and functionality. Why choose Anvi Hearing? With Anvi Hearing, you don't just get a device, you receive a complete care package. Free professional hearing test and expert consultation, trial of the latest hearing aids before purchase, home visits available, flexible EMI plans, presence in 82 clinics across 21 cities and 8 states. The wide range in hearing aid prices in India is influenced by both technology and support services. Take the time to understand your hearing needs and get professional advice before purchasing. Having the correct hearing aid can significantly alter your daily living experience. Call 9658395839 or visit www.anvihearing.com to book your free hearing test and hearing aid trial.